Scooch. Drop top. Whiz up.
If young Metro,
Yeah.
I don't trust you, I'm gonna
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Stud. How you guys doing today? I'm doing alright. Today I'm bringing guys a new video. And this one is how to clean your shoes again. Since you guys like the how to clean the Jordan 5s, and that was thank you guys for supporting me on that video. That I think got like over 3,000. But today I'm gonna show you guys how to clean the Jordan 12 Bordeaux. Every time I wear my shoes, I try to clean them. So I'm gonna show you guys how dirty they are right now.
All the way to sign this skitty.
The last product I used for these cleaning shoes were the Mark Jason, I think. But today I'm gonna use a new product. This is my first time using it. It's called like CREP Cure. CREP Cure, people told me it's good. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll pull up a picture up here. But if you guys are new to my channel right now, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys comment below. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you share the video, guys. Let's get at least 11 likes this time. We went 10 likes in the last video, so let's do 11 likes. Thank you guys for watching my video. I love you guys for everything you guys done for me. Let's get it. I forgot to say, guys, for those who didn't see the Jordan 5s, how to clean them, I will put the link in the description, or I'll leave a picture up here again. So go check that video out, guys, and make sure you guys subscribe like I said again. So let's start the video. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the box for those who are wondering what's in there. It's just a manual or instruction, I think. They have a rag, but I already have a rag. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna use this one, I'm guessing. And this brush. I think the spray. Whatever. Yeah, shoe cleaner. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something. This is like leather. It's not like it's the same leather, I think, as the Jordan 5s. Suede or sweet, I don't know how to say it. Anyways, guys, make sure you don't put a lot of water on this, or it's gonna be like more, yeah, all the water is just gonna go on there. So just make sure you don't put a lot of water, just you probably do on the sides. So that's just a little trick for you guys. So let's start the video, guys. So guys, I'm gonna start cleaning right now. I'm gonna fast forward it so you guys don't get bored. So let's get it. Soap. Look at this, y'all. I think I added too much. This has a lot of soap.
Poured off in the ash. 10 holes in the mansion. Only 2 of them natural. Other 8 all plastic. They don't wanna go to college, but they brain intelligent. Make me wanna do the Heisman when I drink the right.
I think this one looks good, guys. Except it's a little spot. You guys see that little spot? See that little spot? Yeah. So I'm gonna do a little bit of that. I think it's good to me, guys. It's your perspective, guys, how you guys like it. But I see it's much cleaner than before. See the difference? Look at this one. How dirty that one looks. And this one is a little bit cleaner. So let's go to shoe number 2.
And now I'm in Ed Sheeran's body. It's way less cool than being
Guys, I'll give you guys another advice. When you guys go like in little bumps, go fast. So the rocks or whatever's in there, the dirt comes off fast.
Me, I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running, gotta check me your bag. I got hundreds on my neck and I got shoes on my ass. Nigga said I'm going broke while I just take it and laugh. I be speeding in that foreign with 5-0 on my ass, but I'm that nigga.
This looks much better, guys. So make sure, guys, you just take your time and then however you guys like it. I hope you guys learned something new. If you guys did, just comment that you guys learned something. But I just want to say, guys, thank you guys for tuning in right now and watching the video. If you guys want to see how-to videos or how to clean more shoes, just let me know in the comment section. Let's get this video to 11 likes, like I said. Let's get 300 subscribers, guys, as fast as we can, so I can do the video giveaway, guys. And Mother's Day is coming, guys, so make sure you guys do something nice for your mother. I love you guys for everything you guys done for me. I love you again. Peace out.
it up. I need another one. Tell that bitch to keep it coming. A lot is not enough. Pull it up. I need another one. Tell that bitch to keep it coming.
Shorty, more easy. I can't forget my bro, I'm doing rest easy. This shit crazy. Niggas meeting up just to drink and cry. Sick shit, I'm loaded up, ready to slide.